secondary lift. We've got pull-ups, 3 sets of 3 to 5. I'll use a band for those. And then I've got 3 accessory exercises: incline overhead press, seal rows, and hamstring curls. And then I'll finish with dead bugs for core. And that's the workout. So for this first set, I've got kind of a, almost like a warm-up weight on here. I'm going 8 reps on this, and then I'll add some weight for my workout sets. I've got 2 or 3 good working sets, and I'll take a 2-minute break in between. Those felt pretty good. Get my 2-minute timer going. All right, 10 minutes later. Oh boy. 6 to 8. Timer. Felt okay? All right. I lost count. I don't know if I did 6 or 7, so I'll have to go back and watch that. Felt like 6, but I counted to 7. My knee's feeling a little funky today, so for my last set, I probably, I'm gonna do a little shallower of a squat. Hi, buddy. Where are you going? Where are you going? We'll rest. We got 1 more set before pull-ups. All right, last set, 6 to 8. Hi, buddy. I have a band here, so for pull-ups, I'm doing 3 sets of 3 to 5 pull-ups. Let's get going here. That felt hard. Let's rest. We're going to go for 90 seconds. Okay, come on, this right here. All right, set 2, going for 3 to 5. Do the other do a diaper change. Okay. All right, we're back for our third set. Going for 3 to 5. This knee felt harder last time, so I'm going to do that one again. Okay. Woo. Let's try. Come on. Let's try 5. Okay. That was all. So now we'll rest and we'll get set up. It'll take about a minute to get set up for our accessories, which are over here on the bench. So let me rotate you this way. We'll go over here to the bench. Okay. For this one, sometimes on these I'll superset. Today I'm not going to. We're just going to do 12 to 15. We're starting with 20 pounds. See how we do? And then I'll rest for about 30, 45 seconds before my next set. So here we go. Okay, it's after the workout. My camera died halfway through. Now we're done with our workout, so we're gonna make a protein shake, and I just wanted to show you how I do that. So I start with ice, half water and half milk. Yes, and I might put a splash of coconut milk in there for no reason other than flavor. And then my protein powder, I just use Optimum Nutrition. It's cheap. I can get it basically in any store that I go to. It's third-party tested. I use the vanilla ice cream flavor. And then I'm gonna put a scoop of Rise, which they got me in one of their AI ads. They were singing a song about if you're in your mid-30s or 40s and you are tired and blah, 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 whatever their song was. I was like, I feel seen. So anyway, not a promotion, but it mixes well into my protein powder. So we're gonna use that. Done. There's my protein shake with a little bit of coffee in it. Cheers.